Hello everybody at EYFS at home. Welcome to our Easter Creative Day. Now myself and Tallulah are going to show you how to make some bunny stick puppets.
Yeah.
Now we are going to have some card. So we've cut our card up ready, haven't we? What have we done, Tallulah, to our card? Here's the card. What have we done here? What have we written on them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We've put 5 on there. So we've put a number 1.
A number
2.
A number 3.
Good girl.
A number 4.
Yeah.
A number 5.
Okay, and what have we done on here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So we've also numbered our rabbits. So what we're going to do is going to cut the rabbits out and stick them on the sticks, aren't we?
Yep.
Right, now we're going to show you how to stick the cardboard to the
sellotape.
bunny rabbit with some sellotape. Okay, so if I give you these, Tallulah, you can stick them on, can't you? Here we go. Ready?
Mum, doesn't get out on my eyes.
Is there? Got shiny eyes.
Yeah.
Right, here's your sellotape.
Thank you.
Good girl. Like this, look. Like that. We put the sellotape over the back. So your bunny should look like this. Tallulah, show them number 1 bunny. Where's your number 1 bunny? Hold it to the camera. And on the back, we've cut some cardboard in strips. And we put some sellotape on the back. You could use a straw or a wooden lollipop stick. So we've got 1. Where's your number 2 bunny? We've numbered our bunnies and our stick.
I
Where's
think I
number
want
2?
to show the number 3.
Okay, where's number 3? You show them 3. Shall I show them number 4?
Yep.
And you show them where's number 5. Have you got number 5?
Mum, why do you got a black one?
Because I have. He was in my set. So now I'm going to teach you a song to use your little stick puppets too. Are you ready?